3, 2, 1. What is up, guys? This is Random 3, 2, 1. What is up, guys? This is Random Happens, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a disposable Steam account for hacking or other things you might want a disposable Steam account for. Now, the method that I will be using today is very easy, and you should not use these for long-term Steam accounts, just in case you have to reset the email, because the email is disposable. But you would mainly use this if you want to use Loudbox for TF2, or maybe do some hacking on Crossout, or any games that maybe you want to hack on, or trades for stuff on, but you just want to separate a trading account. You can do that, and it's a very simple process. So let's get right on into it. The first thing you want to do is obviously open up Steam, and this is my Drunken Cat account, but what you're going to want to do is go up here to this icon. If you have Windows, it may be a little bit different. Oops, sorry about that. Click Change User, and click Log Out, and give it a minute. It might take a little bit. Give it a minute. Let's see, and then Steam will open up once again, and this is pretty much just going to prompt you with the login screen. Bleh. And so then you're just going to want to leave it at this, click Create New Account, and this might take a couple minutes again. It's it's trying to access the internets. So once you have this window open, you're just going to want to wait a minute, and you're going to want to create your Steam account name, and I'm just going to do mine as, CreepStevo52, because that my real one's CreepStevo51, but blah blah blah. Next thing you're going to want to do is enter in an email address, or obviously enter in your password. I'm going to do that right now. Once you have entered in your password, you're going to want to go to this area. Now, you can only register one Steam account with one email at once. So, what you're going to need to do is go to the link in the description, or just click on the card up in the top right-hand corner and go to this. Now, this is a great site. The other disposable email sites are really, really bad, but this one is great. So, you're just going to want to click one of these, any of them except for the Pokemail or the Spam4. So I'm just going to do gur.blah or something. And then you're just going to want to click unscramble, because if you try to do scramble, Steam will automatically detect that it is fraud. So you're just going to want to do Command C or Control C, depending on what platform you're on. Bleh, words are hard. Just going to want to paste this twice into here, and then enter the characters. And all of these are different. So mine's and KCB8. Where's 8? 8. T, so that's just what it is, and you're going to want to scroll down here using this, and click blah blah blah, and click continue, or hopefully. Then you're going to want to go back over here, and you should not have closed out of this. If you closed out of this site, you're doomed, because now you have to go restart it, and, ooh, my, that's weird. And so you're just going to want to wait for this thing to refresh, oh, brother. And so, yep, so now you see this has come up here, and this is what you're going to want to click on. And then a couple of these things are blocked because it's supposed to be incognito. And you just want to click Create Account and Email Verified. So you're going to want to go back to Steam, and it says that. And then after that, you're just going to you can actually just close out of this, and then enter in the username that you put in. And enter in your password, if it lets you, quickly, and that is how you have made a disposable Steam account. So, one thing to note is that you do not want to have this as a long-term Steam account, because it will not work the best. Or, what am I saying? You have to renew your Steam account email, I think, every 6 months or something, or every year. And you can't do this because you can't go back to the website and get the email. So that's one sad thing about this. But it's mainly just for hacking. And I don't really hack, but I know Loudbox for TF2. A couple of my friends use that. And yes. So if you guys have enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see more cool videos like this, you can check out this video, for instance, which was a car show documentary where I documented cool things on in the 2018 car show. So, I will see you next time, and